Howdy, YouTubers. This is my 69 Camaro I've been working on. All this front end is new except for the buckets for the headlights and the turn signals. Turn signals are original. So, man, I really had to work this over to get it back going again. It's got a 5.3 all aluminum 5.3 aluminum XUV Chevrolet motor in it. Weld wheels, old school, man. The fender, door skins, quarter panels. The roof I didn't replace. Deck lids probably gonna have to be replaced. We got some major rust up in here. Got the spoiler. Had to put a pan in it. That's my battery set up. These batteries are awesome, man, but they're expensive. It's around 300 bucks. I put all the fuse box, turn signal, hazards, everything works from back here. I got it out from underneath the dash. Got the fuel cylinder, fuel pump. I'll show you here in a minute a bracket that I got, and it's got a Punisher skull on it. Check this out. That's another side view. So I cut this out on my CNC plasma cutter. I can get my hand around it. Eventually, we got some brackets. This will be able to flip up and down. I got to do some trimming around the brackets on the actual flipboard. I thought that was pretty cool. Under here, it's an 8.8 rear end out of a Ford Explorer. Those things come, a lot of them come with 373 posies. That's one reason I went with this, and plus the width. You can cut down one axle housing and buy another shorter axle and fit it in pretty good. Got some sliders, some new springs, stainless steel exhaust, flow masters. That was a pretty good deal working those stainless steel exhausts through there. I had to do a lot of cutting and trimming. New tank. On the inside, it's got the computer, did all the wiring to come around from the trunk back up to the front. Just now, starting to work on my HP tuners. I got an HP VI3. Trying to learn all that good stuff on how to operate it. And it's a drive-by-wire. Got some cheap bucket seats from Summit Racing. The headliner. Got some two-berry arms. I took the original ones off. Put disc brakes on it. Kind of upgrade the the actual stop and go. If you want to go fast, you want to make sure it stops. Fuel regulator. That's helped out quite a bit, adjusting the pressure. It's between, I guess, from around 50. We'll start it up here pretty quick and I'll let you guys show it. It's gonna be pretty loud, so fan controls. Got a new radiator. Dual CAMARO. I think it's 1998 CAMARO fans. These are pretty quiet. I'm gonna make a pickup on my, or a video on my pickup 89 before too long. I'll show you what's on that one. And power steering. That comes in handy. Power brakes. Got the little bitty booster on it. Alright, let me start this thing up. You guys probably want to hear it run. It's got a Texas speed cam in it. I'll get it dialed in. It's a 600 little Texas speed cam. It's got a pretty good thumb. 30 pounds, sitting it out. Getting there, it's gonna take a while. Eventually I'm gonna go ethanol. All the top of your 5 good well. All that custom line that I do. New quarter panel. Skin. I gotta replace this. This is an original fender. I thought I was gonna redo it. I think it's probably easier. Go ahead and buy another one. Up here it's pretty thin. I didn't like that. It's got the famous cow. And I'll probably wind up buying another one of these too. Get inside of these little holes. It's always a pain in the butt. I don't have that much patience when it comes to that stuff. This is really no big. We're gonna get rid of that. New glass. If you like what you see, smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Maybe we'll see some Le Mans paint on the whole car like that.